This window hack using electrical tape is giving me all the vibes right now. Literally using leftover supplies from around the house, I was able to create a modern and sophisticated statement in the middle of my living room. First, I started off by using some leftover flat paint to paint the edges of the window. After letting that dry for a couple days, I used a dry erase marker to make a grid on the window, so I knew exactly where the strip of every tape should go in order to make sure that the squares were correct in the center. The trick to this is to make sure not to stretch your electrical tape because it will shrink on the window itself later. I can't believe how awesome this project turned out. The best part is that nobody can tell it's electrical tape and everyone compliments on it like it's a brand new window install. It's been over a year and a half now, and from summer to winter, the heat and the bitter cold still have not affected the tape in any way possible. Now this is a vibe. Follow me for more, a guy's point of view for sumptuously rich decor on a budget you can afford. Anastasios Aspect.